Hey, motherfucker got that mixtape out. Motherfucking orange soda, cigarette, BA live in effect, nigga. I do this shit for real, nigga, and I ain't playing, nigga. I'm really letting you niggas know how I fucking feel, nigga. And I don't say much, just get my tracks and you will learn so much. You'll be like, what the fuck? How this nigga came up? Dirty work, all that's how I wash this shit up. And then I put it on the tracks and rewind that bitch and cleaned it up. And what you know about that, and I don't give a fuck about none of that, especially that hating jack. And I'ma show you where to get you. Nowhere. Guess what? Every day I'm rocking brand new underwear. I can't even pronounce the shit that I'm getting. Shit that you can't even smell. You will never get with it. Matter of fact, here sniff your Whitney. R.I.P. Whitney. Real niggas only with me. And I don't give a fuck what you say about the last shit that came out. All I know that the hood don't know about a motherfucking drought. Especially when Volcano in the motherfucking house. Listen to this shit, nigga. Get my motherfucking mixtape, nigga. It's that motherfucking earweight, nigga, to the beat, nigga. Goody should sponsor me, a real nigga in the streets, nigga. I keep that fire, nigga. I keep that heat, nigga. I keep that cane, nigga. I'm a real motherfucking nigga. And you can catch me by yourself. But if you fuck with me, I got something that's really, really bad for your motherfucking health. And I ain't playing, boy. You got a choice, boy. Don't play no fucking games, boy. You gon' die, boy. This ain't no fucking game, boy. Nintendo, I in your ass and smoke my dough. Let's go, Volcano. I'ma rock the show. I told these bitches 50 G's for the show. If not, don't call my motherfucking phone, yo. And now I switch the number cause she ain't got no motherfucking dough. Let's go. Orange soda and cigarettes. I like 5 beats. I rip the indie beat. I'm something like, whoa, Bruce Lee. Let's go, Volcano. Really in the streets. Real nigga from VA and I came up. Niggas ain't helped me. Not shit, not even to this day. Let's go. Put this shit out. Get this shit out. Put my mixtape in your motherfucking car. And you pussy niggas watch your mid out. Before I clear all that shit it out. Volcano. 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 Really in the motherfucking streets, boy. Really get a motherfucking heat, boy. Trust me, it ain't a motherfucking plate toy. And I'ma rock this beat. You gon' hear this shit, boy. All this, love my shit. I got this rivers in the script club doing backflips to my shit.